Come on, everybody! It's October 31st, and you know what that means? It's time to get all dressed up for the parade on Halloween! Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Today is the day for the Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Halloween parade! What are you going to wear to the Halloween parade? This is so exciting! I just can't wait to see! Do you have your costume? What are you going to be? We'll all get together and walk in one big line, dressed as different characters, having a great time. Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Today is the day for the Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Halloween parade! A marching masquerade is the Halloween parade! Will you be a superhero in a cape and mask? Or dress up like an astronaut who flies in space so fast? You could be a bumblebee or a pretty magic fairy or a fangy vampire. But please don't act too scary. Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Today is the day for the Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Let your imagination play! It's the Halloween parade! You could be a firefighter here to save the day, or dress up like a friendly ghost and boo is all you say. You could wear something silly that makes all your friends laugh, or be a creepy mummy dressed for the monster bash. What about a cheerleader with pom-poms in your hands? Or maybe you're a pirate captain who does a pirate dance. It doesn't matter what you wear as long as you have fun and celebrate this spooky day along with everyone.
Lots of dancing, lots of singing. Soon the doorbells will be ringing. All our friends we will be meeting as we go out trick-or-treating. Spooky sounds are in the air, decorations everywhere, spider webs and lots of pumpkins. Join your friends, the music's jumping!
Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Today is the day for the Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Halloween parade! What are you going to wear to the Halloween parade? Halloween parade! Halloween parade! Isn't it fun playing dress up with your friends? Halloween parade! I love your costume! Halloween See you at the parade!
And now it's time for Slightly Spooky Stories. So, when I came home from school today, I wanted to find something to wear for trick-or-treating. So I walked over to my costume trunk, and I opened it. And I saw that all of the costumes had disappeared! Vanished into thin air!
No.
I was so scared. But then my mom told me she put them in the laundry machine to wash them.
Oh. That's so nice.
Okay.
And that's all for Slightly Spooky Stories. And now it's time for Slightly Spooky Stories.
So there I was, at my easel, getting ready to paint a picture of a big Halloween jack-o'-lantern. I went to go dip my paintbrush into the orange paint. and the paint was all dried up. But I think that's because I forgot to put the lid on last time.
Good.
That's on me. My bad.
And that's all for Slightly Spooky Stories. And now it's time for Slightly Spooky Stories.
Last night, there was a full moon, and I was in my bed, just about to fall asleep, when suddenly, I hear a mysterious sound from underneath my bed. It got louder and louder, and I thought my room was haunted. Then I realized my grandma left my tablet on, and it was playing my favorite bedtime songs.
Oh, that was nice of her.
And that's all for Slightly Spooky Stories.
Our school when we play pretend. I am Percy, the courageous captain.
I'm shipmate Katie.
And I'm Benjamin.
We're not just pirates, we're the Primrose Friends.
We've been looking for treasure at sea.
With the help of Pirate Peanut.
And Pirate Maggie.
Our boat sails faster when there's lots of wind.
We're not just pirates, we're the Primrose Friends. Yo ho ho, we're headed to sea. Ahoy out there to all we mateys. Yo ho ho, let's take a trip all aboard the Primrose Friendship.
Hi, everybody! We hope you're having fun!
Look at all the pirates out there.
Do you want to help us look for lost treasure? Come aboard!
Woohoo! This is the beginning of a big adventure!
I like wearing my pirate hat.
I like wearing this pirate eye patch.
I like pretending I'm Captain Hook.
I like reading this pirate book.
Yo ho ho, we're out to sea. Come along on this adventure with me. Yo ho ho, let's take a trip all aboard the Primrose Friendship. We're having so much fun today. Let's all say arg as we sail away. Dancing and singing and playing pretend. We're not just pirates, we're the Primrose Friends. We're not just pirates, we're the Primrose Friends. We're not just pirates, we're the Primrose Friends.
Bye-bye, everybody!
Chicken nugget! Chicken nugget!
This chicken nugget is shaped just like a star. This chicken nugget is shaped like a guitar. This chicken nugget is a circle all nice and round. Like the moon in the sky, an apple pie, or a ball bouncing up and down.
Chicken nugget! Chicken nugget!
This chicken nugget's a rectangle shaped like a door. This chicken nugget is shaped like a dinosaur. This chicken nugget's a triangle with 3 sides, like a party hat, the ears in the cat, or a big old piece of slice. Woo-hoo!
Chicken nugget! Chicken nugget!
There's just so many shapes out there in everything you see. Different sizes, big and small, just like you and me. Once you see those curves and lines are everywhere you look, you'll appreciate the size and shape that chicken nugget took. This chicken nugget is shaped like a teddy bear. This chicken nugget is shaped like an octagon. You make 8 straight lines of equal sides like a stop sign that you're drawing. Chicken nugget! Chicken nugget! So many shapes, they're all so great, I could go on and on. But it's time, my friend, we've come to an end of this chicken nugget song. Now that we're done, hope you have fun learning curves and lines. Before we go, let's make sure we know and say them one more time. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Octagon. And a star just like you. Chicken nugget!
Hi, I'm Josie the farmer. Do you know how each day begins on the farm? When the rooster says, "Good morning, cock-a-doodle-doo!" It's like his own little song. Huh. The kind of song that's fun to sing along. Do you want to help me say good morning to all my friends? Come on, let's go! Cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to you. Cock-a-doodle-doo, say how do you do? Here on the farm, the fun never ends. So let's say hi to all of our friends. Say hi to Percy the rooster. He shows us how to be brave. And Benjamin the bear shares the weather each day. There's Katie the cat. Cooperation's her thing. And Libby the lamb is good at sharing. Molly the cow loves singing her songs and making all her friends feel like they belong. There's Peanut the pony. He's always true to his word. And Maggie the pig takes good care of the earth. Cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to you. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. To start the day by singing this song, and the Primrose friends are joining along. Billy the duck, he loves music too, and keeping his promises to me and to you. Allie the bunny acts responsibly, and Mia the mouse, so strong and healthy. Erwin the dog is a good friend to us all. He loves painting and birthdays and chasing tennis balls. And then there's Og the bookworm. He really loves to read and caring for his friends like you and like me. Cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to you. Cock-a-doodle-doo, say how do you do? We're here together as the day begins. So let's all play with the Primrose friends. Welcome to the farm! Come play with us. Have you ever worked together with your friends or family to make something special?
Like baking together, or cleaning up together, or working together to make a cardboard box into a big spaceship, or a rocket robot.
Do you know what it's called when you work together with others at home or at school? Cooperation!
Cooperation means that you're there to help. You can be a part of a team, and it shows that you care.
That's right, Katie. And when we cooperate, we use our listening ears, our helping hands, and our happy hearts to work together.
And we're better when we work together.
You said it.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I'm here for it.
Turn your me into we.
Me out here talking.
When it comes to your friends, your sisters, your brothers, playing is so much more fun when we all play well with others.
You go, Katie. And that's one to grow on.
It's raining flowers.
It's okay, Katie. It happens all the time.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Ha! That was some fine oinking, Maggie. Very good. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pony, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Ha! Great pony and Peanut. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. That mooing was beautiful, Molly. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good boy, Erwin. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. With a bye-bye here and a bye-bye there, here a bye, there a bye, everywhere.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Libby. Very nice. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a bear. A bear! Ah! Oh, it's just Benjamin.
Hey, Percy.
E-I-E-I-O. With a
Gur-gur.
here and a
Gur-gur.
there, here up,
Gur,
there,
gur.
everywhere.
Gur-gur.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a bookworm, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hang on, I just have one more page. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.